What is up, guys? Today we are going to be doing some more work on the Mazda Speed 3. Now this thing is got to get finished, and this is going to be part 4. So in part 4 we got to be installing some exhaust components, which means we're going to be working with the turbo. So we got to get our downpipe on the turbo, which is going to go right there. But let me show you guys what our downpipe looks like. If you follow me to the Speed 6 graveyard over here, as you can see, we got my Speed 6. Rest in peace, brother, but it's okay, we'll be back. We got plans, but here is my old exhaust. So this exhaust was made for me by my buddy Jay, and it's the best exhaust ever. As you can see, we got a clamp. I guess everyone's doing pulls out on the highway, but doesn't matter, we're filming. So as you can see, this is my exhaust right here. We got our downpipe, and then it connects by this clamp right here. And basically, that's the only connection point there is. The rest of the exhaust is one single piece, and it's got one single muffler. So this is a really good exhaust that my buddy Jay made for me. Super stoked on it, but we gotta get this off. Then we'll put the downpipe on for today, and my buddy Jay is gonna have to custom make the rest and make it fit. Gonna need that. Got it, yes. So this is the smallest downpipe ever created for a Mazda Speed, but man, look at this sweet design. So sick. Jay, he is the best fabricator. One single piece, 3-inch all the way. It's gotta be the best flow, but let's unplug this and get it to the car. All right, we got our downpipe. Let's go back to the old Speed 3. Alright, you guys, we have a small problem. The problem is where the downpipe fits. Now, as you guys can see, my turbo is pretty tight back there. So the problem is, as you can see, that right there is the hole we have to go through. So that's not gonna work. So we're probably gonna have to go all the way over the wastegate and then down to the left side where that hole is. So it's gonna be tough, but what we're gonna do is just do a hood exit exhaust, which basically a hood exit is just gonna sound so much cooler, and I can run the car like this for as long as I need to. So maybe this will work out and we'll get some better clips of the hood exit and how it sounds. So let's get it on there and see how it looks. All right, you guys, so the first step to getting this downpipe on, so we gotta get this clamp on. So literally you just shove it on there like that. Now you get the old downpipe slash our new hood exit exhaust, because we're going up with this bad boy. So we're going up something like that, which means we're gonna sit you guys right about there. Slide the old clamp on there, like that. So now we have our clamp on there. Oh, and I'm gonna have to tighten it. Alright, you guys, so it's just barely hanging on there. Gotta tighten this thing a little bit more, but now that she's tight, you can see we got a whole freaking setup going. Look at that. So basically, to run this setup, I would either have to cut a hole in my hood, or I would just have to take the hood off. Now, I'm not gonna cut a hole in this hood, so I'm just gonna take the hood off, which is totally fine. Then we can get our startup video in, and then, you know, once we have it started, we'll work on getting a full exhaust made for this thing. But it's gonna sound insane with that hood exit. I am super excited. This is, of course, part 4 of the Mazda Speed 3 build, and it's just getting started. We've got so much more to do. We got to clean up the wiring. We got to get our front mount on there. We got to get the whole front end on there. We got so much to go through, but We're gonna be tearing this engine down soon as well, so be ready to look out for that. We'll check out the old Turbski and all the stock stuff, but for now, that's gonna be it, guys. Be sure to stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.